Veterinarian website template with Divi. We're exploring two outstanding templates perfect for your veterinary practice. With one premium and one free option, let's discover which suits your needs best. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First up is an exceptional option from the Divi marketplace. This premium veterinarian website template is available for $29. If it appeals to you, consider making it yours. Let's explore by clicking on the live demo. Starting strong with a captivating hero section, this space beautifully highlights your practice's key offerings and draws visitors in instantly with stunning visuals and a clear call to action. The About Us section tells your story compellingly and warmly, building trust and connection with potential clients from the moment they arrive. The Services section showcases what your practice offers. Informative and clear, it's designed to make sure visitors know exactly how you can help their beloved pets. The Blog section keeps your audience engaged with valuable insights and updates, establishing your authority and expertise in the veterinary field. Lastly, the Contact Us section is equipped with an easy-to-use form, allowing clients to reach out effortlessly, ensuring seamless communication. Now let's take a look at our free option, a fantastic template included with the Divi theme. Once you've downloaded and installed Divi, this resource is readily available. Initiating with a dynamic hero section, this template sets a welcoming and professional tone right from the start. The Our Values and Missions section emphasizes your practice's core beliefs and commitments, resonating deeply with pet owners who value your dedication. Highlight your offerings in the Services section, clearly outlining the various ways your practice serves pets and their owners. In the Meet Our Doctor section, introduce your skilled team members, instilling confidence and showcasing the compassionate care your practice provides. The Testimonial section empowers your clients to share their experiences, adding credibility and creating strong community ties. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.